Union versus union all. In this video, we are going to learn what is union, what is union all, what is a Google and ChatGPT online difference we see between union and union all, and what's a real world practical difference at our job desk, how to answer this question in our interview room, and when to use union, when to use union all. Let's get started now. Let's understand. This is Sai Panindra from SQL School. I have been with databases for almost 2 decades, and here I'll be exploring few secrets of union and union all with all my experience, exposure and love towards database technologies. Let's get started with union all practical differences in Microsoft SQL. Before we proceed, let me tell you friends, not all SQLs are same. Yes, we usually think SQL means okay, a structured query language, and Oracle SQL, MySQL, Microsoft SQL, everything is same. Not at all, not at all. Let me tell you friends, the book level knowledge is different from the practical experience and exposure we need to face in real world. Being certified in Microsoft SQL doesn't mean Oracle certified, right? Every technology in database platform has their own awesome, beautiful architecture. We are going to explore here the union all differences in Microsoft SQL, that is also called as TSQL. Let's get started with what is union first, then union all, then the actual difference, real world activities, and what's our answer to the question for union versus union all should be in our interviews, and the real world use case. The union is an operator in SQL. It is used to combine the results of 2 or more select statements. For example, you have a table A with 1, 2, 3 rows, B with 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Union gives you the result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, the basic fundamental definition. What about union all? Yes, union gives you the combined output of A and B, ignoring the duplicates. Union all, on the other side, gives you the all items including duplicates. Yes, this is what we usually see in books. And of course, few basic level websites targeting the participants who are actually learning for their academics, which is absolutely perfect. But in real world, this is not enough. Trust me, not enough. So in real world, there are other differences we need to address. When it comes to the real world job environment, things go in a different way, far, far away from books. Come on, let's explore now. Let's understand what I mean by the differences. For this purpose, I'll go for one database in my Microsoft SQL, okay? I'll be showing you the difference. There are multiple differences, friends. Let me tell you, I'll be exploring few differences here. For example, let's create a database called SQL School Database and let's connect to it. I'll be creating a table called Employee Info Table. A table TBL employee with ID, name, country and salary. Okay, 4 different columns. And let's insert some data, right? Please observe carefully the sequence values 1001, 1002, 1003, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 employees. I'm inserting based on their ID order, right? And I inserted few Canada employees, few USA employees, few India, again USA, again India, again Canada. I mean, I'm not following the country order. I am following the ID order in this small table. And let's verify. I'll be surely making a separate video who decides the order of data retrieval internally. Of course, in this case, we see ID order, but that's not always the case, you know. The order of input and the order of output has its own chemistry in Microsoft SQL. I'll be surely making a video separately for it very soon. Mostly by next week, it's my promise. Stay tuned. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and please like to help me and your colleagues and others to get this information. Let's get started with our actual concept now. Union all. Before that, let's have a query. This query gives you all employees from Canada. This query gives you all employees from USA, right? Now let's take our actual concept union all. Query number 8. How to see here, friends? Very simple and straight. What is that? Let's see how to combine or union the results from above queries. See here, friends. Select from Canada, union, select from USA. What happens? Yes, we get the data. Okay? Here, observe carefully. Yes, friends, we know union means gives you a unique values. Union all gives you all values including duplicates. That's perfect. But we are not talking about here. We are understanding the other difference. If you observe carefully, friends, you get the content Canada, USA, right? Both. Now, please observe carefully to understand the actual difference here. Union all. If I say union all, here is the actual magic. Remember, union all gives you correct order. See, all Canada first, USA next. That's the main practical difference. Union all gives you correct order data. Not only Microsoft SQL, let me tell you, SSIS, BCP, DTS, these are all the tools, ADF, Power BI, Power Query, DAX, all Microsoft technologies are having this beautiful difference between union all. Union all always respects the order. If anyone from Power BI, you might have noticed Power Query, you see the interface wherein you can control the order of union also. I want you to try it. Power Query, Edit Query, go to Combine Query option. You see the union with the selecting or specifying the order in which you wanted to union the data. That is where we have this union all. We can control the order correctly. Let me put this way, friends. I repeat, union gives you just combined result. Union all gives you combined result in correct order. All Canada employees first, then USA employees next. To make it more easier for us, okay, I'll take two more items. For example, number 10, you'll be able to access these queries from my website sqlschool.com. Okay, I'll be posting all these items over there. Now, I'll say for example, USA and Canada. Remember, in union, order is not guaranteed. I said USA first, but I got Canada first. Okay? Whereas, if it is the union all, we see all USA first on my screen now, all USA first, Canada next. This is the main difference. I repeat, all USA first, Canada next. This is the main difference we have. Apart from that, yes, you can even practice that ignoring duplicates union, including duplicates union all. But in real world, let me tell you friends, in real world, the duplicate story may not work all the cases, especially if databases have primary key or unique key, right? In real world, as per the normal forms, usually 99.99% the tables will have keys, primary key, unique key, we say candidate keys. So because there are candidate keys, duplicates are very rare in general, right? So this is the practical use. Now how to answer this question in the interview? Of course, we need to always start our answer with a style, with uniqueness. So interviewer asks you, give me a difference between union, all. And your answer would be, union and union all are used to combine the results of multiple queries. First point. Second point, union all respects the query result order. Union does not. I repeat, union all, give union all first. It's going to attract your interviewer for sure. Union all gives you, or union all respects, follows the order of your query execution result. Union does not. Further, if the query results have duplicates, we need to add the if clause over there. If query results have duplicates, union all gives us our results, all rows including duplicates. Union ignore duplicated entities. So give both differences. First difference, we are talking about the order. Second difference, we are talking about the duplicates. Hope my video helped you. And this union all is something that will be used in lot of technologies, including Power Query. You know, Power BI and Fabric Data Factory, Azure Data Factory, they're all having this Power Query, including Excel and Power Pivot, Power Apps. And this will be used in ETL technology like Azure Data Factory, Fabric Data Factory, SSIS, DAX, etc. So not just SQL, this union all is used in lot of other very common technologies in data platform. This is all about union all for now. For a single table, I'll make another video for union all with joins of multiple tables. There lies again other differences. I'll surely find some time and take one video for data insertion order as I promised starting of the video today. I'll surely try to do it in next couple of days or next 1 week. And this union all with joins very soon as per my time and it's like commitments, I'll surely do. So complete information about union all in our website sqlschool.com blog, and do reach me for doubts, clarifications, anything on my number you see here on the screen. For whatever course you enroll for at our school, me and my other trainers are highly committed to guide you, highly committed to make you stay safe at your job desk. And we just want you to thank us from your job desk after the course. The kind of notes, the kind of assignments, the kind of resume, I'm pretty sure you'll love them. Just need your support. Once you start our course, whichever you are opting for to upskill yourself, please make sure we do on-time practice for best results. Thank you so much and see you there in my next technical video. Have a nice time. Bye-bye. Take care. Signing off.